This is a brand new 2014 Nissan 370Z, proving that life is a journey and not a destination. This car has a 7-speed automatic transmission and a 3.7-liter V6. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, high-intensity headlights, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: dual power seats, air conditioning, cruise control, a passenger side airbag, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, performance tires, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS, a keyless entry system, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.